Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel of Cooking with John Grouber. I am John, and I just want to say thanks for joining me again. I know I did that twice, but anyway, I am in a hurry because I am just stopping by for lunch between my work shift, and I need something quick, I need something easy, and I need something on a budget. And of course, I need something plant-based because that is what this whole series is about. So anyway, cue the music and we'll get started. Okay, again, I said this recipe was going to be very quick, very simple, and I think you're going to like it because it costs you 40 cents to make. Okay, so it is a quick sandwich, and again, I'm just kind of in a hurry because I'm on my lunch break, really. So that's what I'm doing. I have 2 pieces of toast. I'm not going to show you how to make toast. You know how to make toast, right? If you don't, message me immediately, and I'm going to teach you how to make toast. Okay, so it is going to be a basic white bean and arugula sandwich. In fact, I'm going to be using spinach because I don't have arugula on hand. But the first thing you're going to need is maybe a sandwich spread. I like this one. It is and you can see it, Wickles Spicy Red Sandwich Spread. And it comes in a decent sized jar. I use it just about on everything these days. I don't know. I just love the taste, love the feel, the textures, and so I'm going to just be using that. Now, if you don't like peppers, I thought I had a tomato around, but so in that case, because I don't have the tomato, it becomes a little bit cheaper because we're just going to be using a little bit more than a teaspoon, probably like a tablespoon. All right, that's one side. It's kind of like pepper jelly, only it's not sweet. It's not spicy. It's more of a tangy taste. There might be a little bit of kick to it depending on how sensitive you are to heat, but I'm not. Okay, so the next bit, I'm just going to take a bowl here, put that right there, grab my knife, chop this up, more of like a chiffonade, and then just go over it again. And I do love my spinach. Again, you can use any type of greens you want. So if you have some blanched kale, use that. If you have, like I said, the arugula, use arugula. That has great flavor. And toss it in the bowl. Okay, that was just like a handful. Don't need a lot. Just need enough for flavor and for nourishment. And got this can of cannellini beans or white kidney beans, and it comes with a great pop top. So there's that, and I'm just going to dive in. I'm not even going to rinse my spoon. I want just a little of the liquid that comes with it, but not too much, because it's going to help make it sort of creamy. And you can drain these if you want. I'm just not doing that today because I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing. All right, so there's like, I don't know, 2-3 scoops of these white kidney beans and some liquid in there. All right, I'm saving that for another recipe, and that'll be at the end of this particular episode because I'm nice like that. I'm doubling up for you. All right, this is some Italian seasoning. It's actually probably more than enough. And then you just take it and you mash. The beans will mash pretty easy with the spoon, but if you want, you can use a fork, a masher. You can make more than one sandwich this way. You just add more ingredients. But it breaks down to 40 cents a sandwich, which, hello, who's not all about that? All right, so there's some of that, some of the green, oh, even the green of the spinach is getting all over the bowl, and just chop up some more. You can take a knife and cut this up, mix it up a little bit better. But, all right, I'm gonna leave them kind of whole, maybe half. But looks beautiful. See, my bowl looks like a salad. And that's really all this is. This is it's like a spinach and bean salad, just mashed up. You can actually put that pepper dressing in here. You don't need to use it if you don't like the pepper dressing. I just like it for flavor. And we're gonna just go ahead, put it right down on this sandwich here. Oh, look at that. I mean, I use what, 3 scoops of beans, maybe 4 small scoops of beans. I'm not even like doing the dishes. I am, after this, I'm just running out the door, getting back to work. So that looks, it looks pretty stellar. Oh, it tastes really good too. Those dried herbs are already starting to meld their way through everything. And it's nice and buttery, even though there's no butter. I just kind of smush it down. Again, toast. You have problems if you don't know how to make toast. I want that email if you need help making toast. All right. And there is my sandwich. Spinach, white beans, and a little bit of that pepper seasoning. Oh, plus the Italian seasoning. Delicious. So good. Try it. Now, as I munch on this, I'm going to show you something else you can do. Kind of like the same recipe, but you can do it on couscous. Stir it into some couscous. You know how quick that is? That's really quick, and it's relatively expensive. If you use the entire thing, it probably breaks down to like $1 per serving. So a lot of spinach, some of this red pepper spread. If you don't like couscous and you prefer pasta, put it on pasta. If you want it on baby potatoes, put it on baby potatoes. It's also very good on tater tots. Just throwing that out there. This is my quick lunch. I'm gonna go now because I gotta get back to work. But I just wanted to show you how easy and simple something delicious can be, and it doesn't have to be all that bad for you. And it could be completely plant-based. So thank you for joining me on this episode of my plant-based series, Cooking with John Grouber channel. And join me again on my website. Again, email me if you have any questions on anything. You can use different beans if you want, the different seasonings, whatever. Vegan mayonnaise is also very tasty. So you can just do without the peppers if you want, but I like it with the peppers. Try it with the peppers first. Thanks. I'll see you next time.